Hello everyone, in today's video we will solve Bandit level 5. So connect using this SSH information and you will need password for Bandit level 5 which you will find in Bandit level 4. So open your Linux terminal and I have that password. This is the password you need. Now connect using SSH. It takes time depending on your network speed. So now enter the password and you are here. So what we have to do, the password for the next level is stored in a file somewhere under the in here directory and has all the following properties. That is human readable, 1033 bytes in size and not executable. Okay, so first change the directory to in here. Now ls. There is 20 directories. So if we try to find manually, it will take many time. We will use some commands to find that. So find dot dash type f dash size 1033c exclamation dash executable. Okay, so that is the file. Now what is this command? So first of all, find this finds file. Okay, and dot. So find dot means find but start from the present working directory, means in here. So start finding from present working directory. Dash type f means search for any file. So what the file will have properties, its size should be 1033 bytes and it should not be executable. Okay, dash executable means it will be executable and the exclamation before it means it will not be executable. So this command tells that to start finding for a file from the present working directory to the all directories in it, which file will has size of 1033 bytes and it will not be executable. Okay, so this is the file. Now copy this file path and get that file path. Okay, so this is the password you need for the next level. Now copy this and exit from here and save that password for the next level. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.